I'm going to show you how to have a more voluminous, extra puff. You've seen my video on how to make your ponytails look bigger, so I'm going to show you how to do the same thing for your puffs. Like, I filmed this at 5-day wash and go, but do you see the definition? Like, look at this. And it's super moisturized. This is with, actually, I'm going to leave the video up there. Go check that out. So the first thing you're going to do is gather all your hair, right? And you're going to take the middle section, just your crown area, and you're going to separate that just a little bit. So take the middle section just like this, right? Just like that. And you're going to take a scrunchie. You could take more here if you want, but it's actually not that necessary. So you're going to go ahead and put it into a ponytail. Just like that. A very loose ponytail. Okay? This looks crazy. Alright, get your hair together and form your puff. And then grab whatever you use to form your puff. I use an old stocking and I just cut the leg of it. It works really good, so that's what I do. Alright, so put it at your nape and then bring it to the front, tie it, and then you push your nape up. And that's all you gotta do, because you have your ponytail in the center, giving you some volume in the center. And my problems is that my puffs always go this way. Having your ponytail be in the center like this allows some hair to be up. It just, oh, it's a nice pineapple. It's a nice puff. And you just tie it in the back, and then you tuck the remaining ends. Oh my goodness, doing this trick is so good. Edges, I use my Mielle edge control. I will leave that in the description bar per usual. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. So your bun, well, your ponytail's right here. It gives you some extra volume and lift, and it just looks so good. Like, I'm telling you, sis, try it. You will never go back to just doing your regular puff. It gives you, I can't explain it, girl. Like, this is just beautiful. And like I said, oh wait, I need some earrings. What am I doing? So yes, this is the final look. I hope that this helped you, give you some volume and lift to your puffs. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next one. Bye, guys.